Dragon Ball Super FB10 by the single box random number 8. There's been a lot of hype over this one, man. A lot of hype around the number 8. Got 5 times. Good luck, you two. Oops. There we go. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is 5 times with the 5 pips. Here's where we landed. Good luck, you two. Get this printed. Bom, 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 bom. I've mentioned it before. I can never hear this song without thinking of Old Spice. Old Spice body odor blocker wash. Alrighty. Alrighty. Good luck, you two. Spy Robot. There we've got number 5 on the rare. Uncommon. Oh, Jesus, that is a very... that is so much prettier in person than I was expecting, man. That's so much prettier. I saw the render of this card. Number 1, Mark the Shark with the Vegito. It's so much prettier in person. Gosh, the gold, look at that. The gold raised foiling. My goodness, man. Out of the first pack. Pretty sure this one card paid for all your spots, no? Just about. Just about, that one card. Crazy Vegito, man. Everyone on Earth on a number 4. Son Goku on the SR number 2. It's a great start. Yeah, the vibes of this box are checking out, bro. Out of the first pack, that's crazy. Number 2 on the SR. The Wrangle Man. Son Gohan Adolescence Piccolo on the leader. That one's number 9. There they are again, this time on the rare, number 7. And Son Gohan Future, number 8. At least 2 2-stars. At least. Yeah, I mean, Pikachu's not gonna roll an ankle and be out for the season. Now we got number 6 on the rare. SCR. Gosh, man. Look, they even have, it's not gold raised foil, but they still have the raised textured foil for all the line on the details. That's insane, dude. That's insane. SCR, that is 121 in the set. Number 1, Mark the Shark. Being a shark right now with that number 1 spot. King Yama. We got Cell in number 2. And there's Videl, number 4 on the SR. Number 4 SR. We got Thanks Dragon Ball on the 3. Bojack on the number 1 for the rare. Android 18 on the number 4. And Potara on number 7. Vegeta on the 0. And there's Vegito on the 0 SR. $121, he said he gonna cry. That one's the 2-star, ain't it? We're looking for a 2-star, bruh. Bojack number 3 on the leader for Ruiz. Shenron number 9, and thanks Dragon Ball on the 3. So where's the star located? You would see it, like, see this is a single star right there next to UC, that blue. Right there on the blue bottom right corner. She's got a shotgun on number 3. And there's Son Gohan on number 8 on the rare. He just wrapped up painting. And then we got Son Goku on number 5. SR of Slug. Slug. Yeah, Bandai tends to like the stars to show their higher rarity stuff. I mean, so is Pokemon. Actually, don't get it twisted. Pokemon loves their stars. There we've got number 7 on the rare. Final Kamehameha on the number 5. Sneezing like crazy. Are you allergic to the pant? There we got Cell on the number 2. SR. Parallel. That's an alt art of Cell. We haven't seen this one yet. My goodness, man. Oh, like the there's like a slight purple tone to the foiling too. God damn. That one is 108, number 8 on the SR alt art. That's going out to Ruiz. Yeah, no, the cards hit different in person, man. I promise you, the cards hit different in person. When you see it in person, you go, wow. It hits different, man. Like, the camera's not gonna show you the depth that the foil's actually achieving there. Cell on the leader, number 7. And then we've got number 1 on the rare, and number 2 on the Son Goku rare. Piccolo on number 7, and Vegeta on the 0. Krillin on number 6, and 17 and 18, the androids. It's number 2. That is number 2. We're looking for a 4-hit box. That's what we're doing right now. We had the rare of Mai on number 3, and then Vegeta had peaked earlier. Got impatient. Number 9 on the SR. Yeah, July 3rd is the next Masters set. Which, if we were able to get this one, I'm gonna see if we can try to get that one. Number 2 on Hurls, and Bojack on the number 1. Taro's on number 2. And there's Son Goku, number 2 on the rare. We got Trunks Future, number 5. And Piccolo, number 7 on the rare. I just had to look at the sword and I would have known it was Trunks. Cell's Kamehameha on the number 8, and there's Vegeta BR on the number 7 for the SR. Super Saiyan 4, I believe. Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. Gonna be a big one in that one. Yeah, hopefully we are able to get Masters. Have we opened a Master set at all here yet? I think we've only done Fusion World. There's Vegito number 5 on the later. For Ruiz. We got Childhood number 5, Son Gohan, and Super Genki Dama number 4 on the SR. Blue pack, second from the end, the one I always root for. Again, we're trying to see if we can get one of those boxes with 4 hits in it. There's my Future number 3, and Cell on the SR. That's number 8. Numero 8. There we go. Last pack. Let's see, we got some last pack magic. Slug on the rare number 1, and bop! I wanted to see a 4, man. 101 Class in Session, number 1 on the Android 17, which I thought that was Android 18 on the artwork. Here's the recap, starting with our leaders. We'll say the numbers as we see them. 5, 7, 3, 9, SRs, 8, 4, 7, 9, 2, 2, 0, 4, and 2. We've got the Cell SR alt art for the number 8. We've got the Vegeta SCR for the number 1. And gosh, man, it's just such a sick looking card. This is one I'm going to be showing some of the sorters. We got some sorters out there that love Dragon Ball. We will be beating the sorts on this card. That was Dragon Ball Super by single box FB10, random number 8. Thank y'all so very much. My goodness.